Hello friends, the topic of this video is random forest algorithm in machine learning. So let us see what is random forest. Actually random forest is a supervised machine learning algorithm in which it combines the various decision tree. So if you take the example of single decision tree, it will give only one output. But if you combine various decision tree, then you will get various output, and based on that you can take the majority and then you can take certain decision. So random forest is nothing but it is ensemble based learning technique. Now what is ensemble based learning technique? In ensemble based learning, the various weak classifier are combined and then you will get one strong classifier. So individually if you take the decision tree, then it is known as weak classifier. But if you combine the power of all the decision tree and then if you take the average or voting of output of all the decision tree, then you will get one a strong result, or you can say accurate results. So random forest is a ensemble based learning technique. So now how this random forest work? So in random forest, various decision trees are created. Now how it is created? Initially, let us say there is one training data set. From this training data set, the subsets of the training data set are created. So you can create n number of training data set from one large data set. Then based on now how this training data is extracted or how it is constructed. So the randomly the training data it is taken as randomly from this original training data set. Again it is taken randomly. Again it is taken randomly. So what can happen? Some data can be repeated, or some data cannot be repeated, or there can be unique data. So it may happen that the training data or data present inside training data 1 may be present in data 2, may be present in data n, or it may happen that the data of all the training data set is unique. So randomly the data set is taken. Now how this training data is constructed? Suppose if there are 300 instances. So suppose randomly 100 instances are selected here. Now once the 100 instances are selected, decision tree is created. These 100 instances are again returned back. Then again from 300 instances are available. Again the 100 instances are considered here. Now again decision tree is constructed. Again these 100 instances are returned. It does not mean that here if you selected 100 instances, then next time only 200 available, and then at next time only hundreds are available. It does not like that. um, these all these instances will be written again. So here assume that this training data one is constructed from the decision tree, one is constructed, then from training data to decision tree is constructed, then from training data and decision tree is constructed, and then the output of all the decision tree has been considered, and then voting has been taken or average has been taken, and based on that prediction will be considered. So this is how the random forest algorithm works. So if you describe from algorithm point of view, initially there is a training data set, and then this training data from the training data set, subset of the training data set is constructed, and from that subset decision trees are constructed, and then output of all the decision tree will be taken into consideration, and then voting of the output has been done, and then based on that prediction will be taken. So random forest will work on large data set. The advantage is it work on large data set, and it is very much powerful than individual decision tree, because here multiple decision trees are constructed. And next advantage of random forest is it works on large data set, and it is scalable. You can construct n number of decision tree. Now random forest can be considered for regression also, but in regression it will not give that much accurate result. Mostly it is used for classification purpose. So again I will take one example here. Suppose the output of this decision tree is apple. The output of this decision tree is apple. Now I will little bit modify. Suppose three decision trees are constructed, and the output of this decision tree is let us say banana. it is banana. Now here if you take the example, here the output of this decision, the output of two decision tree is apple and output of one decision tree is banana. So if voting is considered or averaging is considered, so prediction will be output. Prediction will be here apple, because apple uh, apple are 2 and banana is 1. So if you consider voting, so the prediction will be equal to apple. So this is how the random forest algorithm work, and this is very important concept from machine learning point of view. So I do hope you understand the concept of random forest. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.